Hi all, this session we are going to see how to draw the line, circle, rectangular and poly using OpenCV. I just open PyCharm, go to File, New Project, and the project name you can provide, camera, I am providing this name, just click Create. So the main.py file will be created, I already created. Now we have to install CV2, File, Setting, go to the Python interpreter and click. So open CV Python, click and install it. I have already installed. Now numpy, just click and install. This also I have already installed. Here the installation list is coming. numpy 1.21 version, OpenCV 4.5.5 version. Click OK. First, we have to import CV2 and import numpy. It's a short name is np. If we want to draw the line or circle, whatever, we need some empty space. So I'm creating some empty image using numpy np.zeros. Here we have to provide with as 1000, height is 1000, the channel is a 3 channel. Then we have to show the image .im show is the frame name, it's a image name, image, showing the image. Weight key is a 0 because once it is showing the image, the application will be exit. I was saying it should not be give exit until you are click stop button. If you are providing 100 here, it will wait until 100 milliseconds that it will close. So if you are providing 0, it's no time. You have to manually close it. Just see. Okay, so some empty image I have created here. So that's cool. Now just come to the session, create the line. How we are creating the lines, not in the CV2, normally how we are draw the line. Further I just open paint. Here one graph is there, is the point from this x-axis until 10 and y-axis until 10. I have select this line, this point, and I draw one line from here to here. So I just open both. Okay. So I'm drawing one line. What is the start point? It's the 2, 2. So ST point is the 2, 2. Then what is the end point? It's the 8, 2. 8 is the x-axis, 2, y-axis. 8, 2. Then what else needed? This is the color. What is the color? It's a black. So we have already black image, so we are going to use the white color. The color is the white, so 255, 255, 255. And the thickness of the line, thickness equal to, so I am giving 3. So basically I am providing, it's a 10 points, so it's a 2 and 2. I am using 1000, so instead of 2 I am using 200. So you can see the line points. So just draw the line. It's a simple CV2 dot line, img image, then a start point, then an end point, or then a color, then the thickness. Just I run. Yeah, that's it. I have draw one line. It's the simple way. Start point from here, end point from here is the color is white and the thickness. This much of value is enough to draw one line. Okay, now we have completed this line. So just comment. Um, so next, what else? Uh, so we can draw the circle. Circle. So what are the points needed for the circle? I am drawing one circle here. What are the points needed? I need a center point and I need a radius. I need a radius and the center point. Okay, center point. What is the center point? It's we can 450. Okay, 400. 400 comma is the 400 is the center point. I'm not getting the accurate value, just one point I'm taking. Actually it's a 450 is coming, so I'm taking the 400. Okay, then a radius, distance between the center point and this point. So what is the point from the 4 to 7? Is a 3. So it is 300. That's it. CV2 dot circle. First one image, then a center point, then radius, as well as the color and the thickness. This all needed. I just run. Yeah, that's it. We are drawn one circle now. So yeah, this point so enough to draw. Then what else? Now we are go with a rectangle. So what are the points needed to draw the rectangle? Let's see. This is the rectangular. I'm giving this is the point. Basically, if you want to draw the rectangular, you need a starting point, this one, and the ending point. Using start point, you can start and end point. You can go this line and go this line, and you can close it, right? So you can draw the line. So what is the start point? Is the 100 and 300. ST point 100 and the 300. What is the end point? It's will be it's a 400 and 100. Anything else? No need. So CV2 dot a rectangle. First one is the image, is the starting point and the end point, then a color, then a thickness. That's it. Just try to run. Yeah, I have drawn the rectangular now. Okay. So next, go with the polylines. So poly I'm go with one poly shape. Poly shape mean it can be any drawing structure. So here is a lot of points is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to come this shape, we have to provide this 5 points now inside the array using points np dot array First point, it can be this is the first point, we can do it. What is the 500 and the 700? 500 is the x-axis, 700 is the y-axis, and come on, what is the next point? This point we go with this 700 and 600. Actually, I am not taking the exact point. If you are saying this is the exact point, is coming 650. Okay, but I am not taking the exact point. So if you are trying the exact point, you can see the exact structure. Otherwise, you can see some weird structure. Okay, so second point is completed. The third one is the 600 and 400. 600 and 400. The next point is a 300 and 400. This is the next point. 300 and 400. The what is the final point? It's a 300 and 600. Okay, sorry, 300 and 600. So the what is the another parameter? We have to provide, are you going to close the structure or not? It's closed. Yes, I'm going to close the structure because it's a closed structure, right? Yeah, that's it. CV2 dot polyline. First one is the image, second one is the points, the third one is closed, yes. Then color as well as the thickness. Point should be the array. Sorry, point should be the array. Just run. Yeah, some weird structure is coming because the reason we are not using exact point, just like it's coming it's some weird point. So if you are doing the same, you can get the same structure. Yeah, that's it guys from this video. I hope you all are learning something new from this. Yeah, thank you guys. Bye bye.